Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween candy available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Halloween Trick or Treat Assorted Classic Candy. This candy Halloween care package is filled with snacks, candy, and toys to make for the perfect trick-or-treat gift. It contains a great variety of Halloween-themed candy and toys along with your all-time favorite brands of snacks. At number 3 we have Hershey's Miniatures Halloween Candy. Hershey's makes America's favorite chocolate candy, from smooth milk to decadent dark chocolate bars and beyond. There are so many delicious flavors. It's almost impossible to pick a favorite. At number 2 we have Assorted Halloween Candy. This party mix is an assortment and may not include all listed candies. You can enjoy these sweet treats with many enticing flavors of the classic candy you crave. At number 1 we have Flicks Candy Halloween Candy. It has 4 different features: flavors orange, strawberry, green apples and blue raspberry. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween candy for your need.